Guide to reading Immobilizer data and programming keys for Fiat models using Lonsdor K518 Pro. Hey there, fellow gearheads. Welcome back, your go-to destination for everything automotive diagnostics and programming. If you're passionate about cars and crave the latest insights on diagnostic tools and programmers, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Lonsdor Tech has recently released updated software for the Lonsdor K518 Pro and K518 series key programmers, enhancing their capabilities to support a wider range of Fiat models for key programming. This guide provides detailed instructions on how to utilize the Lonsdor K518 Pro to read Immobilizer data and program new keys for Fiat vehicles. Update info. The latest update includes the addition of several Fiat models to the supported list, including Gran Punto, 500, Nemo, Bipper, Cinquecento, Mini Cargo, Cubo, Fiorino, New Fiorino, Punto, Punto Evo, Pratico, Doblo, Viaggio, Panda, 500C, Aventura, Egea, Tipo, Linea, 500X, 500E, New 500, and New 500C. Additionally, it enables support for both key addition and all keys loss scenarios for most Fiat models. However, it's important to note that 2018 plus Fiat models require the Lonsdor L-JCD cable for programming. Step-by-step guide. Connection and initialization. Connect the Lonsdor K518 Pro key programmer to the Fiat vehicle via the OBD port. Power on the device and ensure it is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Selecting Fiat model and key type. Navigate through the menu options on the K518 Pro interface. Select Immo and Remote, then Fiat, followed by Select from Vehicle, and choose the appropriate Fiat model from the list. Specify the key type based on the Fiat model and production year. Reading Immobilizer data. Once the model and key type are selected, proceed to Read Immo data. The device will read out the Immobilizer chip data, key type, PIN code, key count, and key ID. Input a suitable file name to save the Immobilizer data for future reference. Making dealer key. After saving the Immobilizer data, select Make dealer key. Choose the previously saved Immobilizer data file. Utilize the Lonsdor K518 Pro's card slot to identify the current key ID and generate/lock the dealer key accordingly. Programming new key. Select Program key from the menu. Insert the new key into the card slot of the K518 Pro key programmer. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. Enter the PIN code obtained earlier during the reading of Immobilizer data. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the key programming process. Conclusion. By following these detailed steps, users can effectively utilize the Lonsdor K518 Pro key programmer to read Immobilizer data and program new keys for various Fiat models. This updated software expands the capabilities of the K518 Pro, making it a valuable tool for automotive locksmiths and technicians working with Fiat vehicles. As we wrap up another thrilling journey through the world of automotive diagnostics and programming, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the ride.